I got shitloads of bullet cases. I'm a douchebag, right? So what is that? Is that?
There's two different ones. One are black and one are brass.
Burn.
They're different shape and size.
That's all their douchebag shit. ATF. It is like so funny. It's like they're fucking douchebags.
I'm not laughing because it's funny.
Well, that's what they do, man. They might just throw them out here.
Well, you come out here and there's spent bullet casings, like 20
Yeah.
or 30 of them.
I told you it's ATF.
How many are there?
Hold on, let me get my tripod. Because see, I'm minding my own fucking business. I'm gonna go back to the car and get my. Like a fucking bunch of. That's just so fucking gay too. See, I was always saying it's ATF. Like they do their stances and stuff. Man, you motherfucker. From the motherfucker. And I'm just thinking. Getting kind of stressed. I got no medical care. It's kind of bullshit. I'm going around like fucked up with these fucking liars. And then they have a battery. Isn't that cool? You have to mix it up like that. I get my car. Because, I knew, it's like ATF douche here. Oh man, maybe they even put it, because that's pretty extreme. That's more like they're fucking it up or something. Right? Then YouTube has to fucking, everyone just fucking lies in the shit. I'm thinking now, I can't get any medical care. But I don't know. I got it. I can't really prove it. It's hard to do because like if I go in there and video the whole thing, doesn't feel like, do you have a video? It'd be bad. Damn. Oh, there we go. That's like a fucking Fago. Man, what's this Fago? 380 or something. Some douche. See, I had this book once. I got this book I borrowed from the library that had the casings and the guns, so I could recognize. Oh, that one. There's another one. I got 380. Or wait, no, it's not because it's got a. Or wait, is it?
One?
I know. Yeah,
there's a few of those here.
The rim. I was like one of the ones she's out. Let's go see.
There's like at least 50 of them.
Yeah, I think I've found some bunch of fucking gay
I counted like 60, but
yeah, okay. But I'm kind of even wondering because I was saying it's ATF, and then it's kind of like makes it weird. It's like fucking their thing up. Cause
it's starting to rain.
Oh yeah, you're in. Look at that. They don't have them here. ATF with all their posturing. God, watch it be like they got rid of the fucking thing. Because this was all ATF here. ATF, they got rid of ATF. They got rid of ATF by putting bullet casings in the thing. Or they probably even shot it off. They shot some gun. And now ATF is not here anymore. Because they'd be here already, right? Wouldn't they?
Maybe.
What? It's gonna, yeah. They're doing all their posturing. They have to go to some other parking lot. Hey, no one was at that other parking lot either, remember?
What other?
Where I went to the place. Like, up on University Ave. Is it University?
Yeah.
Ave, yeah. You know, the cool place. Where the Trader Joe's is.
Oh, yeah.
And all the other
right,
cool
yeah.
stuff. And they would always be there. Damn, that's CIA too. I can feel it. Or, yeah, this is the shit, man. Oh, they closed their shit down, man. I can feel it. Oh my god. I was getting kind of bugged because I was like, fuck it, that's so fucking hilarious. Everyone was pretty cool here, but it's like...
I want to hear about the Medicare thing.
Oh no, we're making a video.
Okay.
Oh my god. I mean, where's everyone with their kids? Like, where's all the video? Where's all the... I don't know, I'm fishing off the thing or something. Getting to be sometime. Maybe they're coming later. Damn, there's a big old fish in there.
Where?
Next to that post that sticks up.
Mm-hmm.
But you can't see him now.
Is it behind it?
Maybe to the left. Our left hand.
Okay.
They're just flapping around.
Okay.
Oh, lily pads. Those are pretty. It's all there, not bad. That's a different setup. That's a different flavor. Now I hope my thing doesn't look. Oh, this video I'm telling these guys. My yarmulke, Islamic yarmulke thing. Whatever this thing is like. I hope it doesn't blow off. I don't have a thing to tie it on. There's a dog turd right there. That other parking lot, no one was at it.
Yeah.
But we only went that one time. It seemed like there'd always be something.
Well, maybe it's just like a certain night of the week.
No, man. Look, come on, man. Oh, jeez. Where's the wildfires, right? I do that real quick. Isn't it? Look, that's State Department. Whatever, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
The mall walker.
Right.
And Istanbul or whatever it is. Like, I don't know. That thing. You guys see what it is?
What?
You have ATF. It's to get an ATF here. And it has nothing to do with it, anything like your business. But that connects to IRS, everything. All federal, everything.
Right.
So you have ATF. And everything can just be social. How's it going? See what I mean? Oh my god. They kicked them out, man.
What do you mean?
They kicked them out. The ATF is gone.
Oh, yeah.
All that stuff, all the banana. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, this is so funny. Oh, my friends from the prison saying to me, they're just making them move around. You gotta go with this, hither, there. And then a dog turd. All they can do is come back in. I'll drop a dog turd. Don't do that. Oh, shit, they did, man. Oh, my God, this is so funny. And now you're fussing because of your shoes. You look like a gangster. You know?
Those birds do go in there in the grass and shit.
The crows, too.
Yeah. The crows.
Oh, that's funny, man.
But in here, it's all like water and shit.
Yeah.
Well, not like that, water.
It's messed up. We should have full socialism and welfare state. But, well, it's a problem. Because then, how can you work at McDonald's? How can you have some fucking girl do that or something? And you can't explain to her, like, whatever, you know, it's good looking and things, and we're going to dog you and make you work here. Or something. There's got to be a whole ethic. And the thing is, you got to have that be working class. Because working class can have socialism. But it would be... God, you really can't. You really can't do it under capitalism. Yeah, bourgeois welfare. And that's got to be divided, some kind of thing. Because it doesn't work. How can you have welfare for the middle class and have your art in your college and then have that work with giving any even like, you know, superficially equal treatment to the working class and make the working class work at McDonald's at shit wage? So you can't do it. You have to have something. And, you know, that thing, like, forces beyond your control doing it. This is beautiful, isn't it? Look at those clouds. God, these clouds. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Man, I need to get, oh my God, this is weird. This isn't how it would be. They won't have They never have people. Like, why do they get to walk? Man, if you had some people walking before, you have to have other sets. There's a whole, like, thing, like the ground cries out, I'm jealous. What are they doing? I'm walking, I gotta run patterns all around it. You know what I mean? And they're flaunting. Look at that. Look at over there. Oh my God. Oh yeah, even the thing. They might just quit there and it's like, oh my God, that's so... Oh shit. That'd be funny, like, this guy's fucking around with his car and stuff, he's fucking around and it just spills out, right? Which is probably what they did.
Maybe.
But it goes with this other stuff. Yeah, it's more likely. Oh man. This is so empty, man. Look at that, way out there. Oh my God, this is so funny. I love it. And they're like, okay, here you go, you're ATF. Not even like that case, like, here we are. And those bullet cases in the driveway. And you can't be here. And you're ATF. Now you can't be here. When you should be here. That's like reasonable. That's probably cause, you know, our investigative, like, I want to find out how the world works, right? There's bullet cases all over the parking lot. In a public place, right? And you'd want to be like, I need that wisdom, even if it just fell out of someone's car, right? And you want to know, and you can tell the difference. But someone did it on purpose, and that's already something. Yeah, the way it is, the dark ones and the bright ones, and then the other size is, you know, you got two different sizes and two different colors, and so it's probably someone's like pile of bullet casings in their car that they accidentally on purpose let spill out, like they're pulling out their duffel bag and it gets on the ground, right? Like it's like that, and then it gets spread around. No. See, that's not the same, is it?
What?
Inside. Man, that's some weird shit, man. And then there's no one here. Oh my God. It's not really a wreck. That's so cool, man.
Let's get out of here.
What? Let's get out of here. What about your island?
I don't have an island.
Yeah, that's right. You don't have an island. You should have an island. Right?
Or a peninsula.
Well, yeah, on an island, on Cuba. And Dixieland, where I was born in. Early on one frosty morning. Look away. Look away. Look away, Dixieland. Yeah, that's not the same. Is it? Oh my God, it's so funny. Isn't that weird? They're so weird, man. See, they're so hooked into... I don't know, it's getting later, so I guess yeah, it's so funny. Or even they do that. See, I was minding my own business, wasn't I?
What?
I was minding my own business. And I had to start videoing. I wasn't going to video, I was just walking around. We're going to go walk around.
I know.
And now they would never have this many cars. You'd already have ATF posturing, doing their thing. The different forms of their, like, weird, of their crew. But like I call it ATF. I bet it is, though. Because you think about it, the thing it ought to be, because that's, oh, there's too many weapons on the street. Someone can get the drop in the parking lot. They get the drop, they get the thing. They get to whatever, or they know the consequences. And they got the structures. And they practice in the park. Oh, this is cool. It is different, man. It is. But see, they'll be like not here. It'll all be bureaucratic because it's all them in their court and their whatever. And then they'll be just, oh, we don't want to be here. You know. Oh, yeah, they're on it. Oh, that's cool. Fine, a second. Yeah, it's not. Oh my God. So they're just not here.
Yeah.
They probably agree they don't want to be here. So they're just meeting. Because they're doing, it's like, it was always, oh man, there's the guys there. That is cool, man. What? What is it? What? How are we going to get back? What? What? You know everything, don't you? Come on, man. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that could be the thumbnail, right? That'd be a good thumbnail. Instead of saying, it is, man. Man, usually by now, oh, let me unlock it for you. Ah, man. It's all unlocking game. See what time it is. I guess, right? It is pretty. Okay. Oh, they'd be here by now. Oh, God, yeah. And they definitely, when you have this many cars, you already have something. And maybe something down here, it doesn't go like that. And they'd set up their, I got a stretcher, I got to get all of my bicycles out of the car. I gotta do this or that. But no one even mess with me. Right? That was pretty cool. It's all a lie.